Imagine waking up every morning knowing that, before you even pour your first cup of coffee, you've already made $583 without clocking in or answering a single email. For the past 9 years, I've been obsessed with building streams of passive income, and today I'm pulling back the curtain on exactly how I did it. But here's the real question. Can you replicate these results, and what's the smartest way to start? Stick around, because I'm not just sharing my portfolio, I'm showing you actionable steps to launch your own journey. Let's face it, the world of passive income is filled with hype, half-truths, and overnight success stories that rarely pan out. Most people want to escape the grind, but the reality is that building sustainable, hands-off income takes time, patience, and a willingness to learn from failure. There's a reason 46% of Americans want to start a side hustle for passive income, yet only a fraction actually succeed. The challenge isn't just finding the right strategy, it's sticking with it long enough to see real results. I started with nothing but a desire to break free from the 9 to 5. Over nearly a decade, I experimented with everything: high-yield savings, real estate, content creation, affiliate marketing, and dividend investing. Some ideas flopped, others broke even, but a few became the backbone of my financial freedom. Interest income. My first stream was the simplest, parking my savings in high-yield accounts. It's as passive as it gets, but the catch is you need capital up front. Today, this brings in $200 to $300 a month, compounding quietly in the background. Rental properties. I own 2 apartments. While monthly cash flow is modest due to mortgages and expenses, the real payoff has been asset appreciation. My property's value has soared since 2019, turning patience into profit. Digital content and affiliate marketing, years of building blogs and YouTube channels, finally paid off. The main driver? Affiliate marketing, earning commissions when people use my links. It took years before this business made more than a few $1,000s, but now it averages $5,000 a month. YouTube channel. This was my first real win. After 799 videos and thousands of hours, my channel now generates about $10,000 a month in ad revenue. It wasn't easy. Consistency and reinvestment in my team made all the difference. Dividend investing. Once a major part of my portfolio, dividend stocks like PepsiCo provided steady quarterly payouts. While market swings can impact your principal, the passive cash flow is real if you diversify and stay the course. But here's the tension. Every stream required years of groundwork. Rental properties demanded patience and research. Content businesses took hundreds of posts before real traction. Even the most passive streams needed upfront hustle and ongoing attention. The result? A diversified, resilient portfolio that brings in steady income, enough to cover living costs, reinvest, and enjoy life on my terms. Each stream has its own rhythm. Some pay monthly, others grow quietly in the background, and all compound over time. The best part? Once set up, these systems keep working for you, freeing up your time for what matters most. So, what's the next move for you? Whether you're looking to pad your savings, replace your job, or just explore a new challenge, the fundamentals are the same. Pick one strategy, go all in, and master it before branching out. That's how I built my foundation, and you can too. Drop a comment with your favorite passive income idea, and don't forget to subscribe for more transparent, actionable insights on building real wealth. The journey starts with one step. What will yours be?